Learn English with Ozzy.
Ozzy and me here need to get ready to go outside.
Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Put on your t-shirt. Put on your t-shirt. Put on your short. Put on your short. We're getting ready one by one, dressed and set for outdoor fun. Put on your pants. Put on your pants. Put on your socks. Put on your socks. Put on your hat. Put on your hat. We're getting ready one by one, dressed and set for outdoor fun. Put on your coat. Put on your coat. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on your scarf. Put on your scarf. We're getting ready one by one, dressed and set for outdoor fun. Put on your mittens. Put on your mittens. Pick up your bag. Pick up your bag.
Subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.